lifestyle, beauty and fashion blogger. So today I'm going to review Bling Matte and Metallic Palette by Blue Heaven. This product in my life came as a savior. So let me tell you more about it. So let's start with the review. So before applying BB cream or foundation base, I always moisturize my skin first as I have very dry skin. So to make my skin even and flatter, I prefer using this. And after that, I use BB cream. I don't use foundation on a daily makeup routine, so BB cream suits me best. One more thing which I would like to add here, whenever you're smudging through BB cream or foundation base, don't forget to cover your neck part. Cover your both face and neck part thoroughly and properly. And here comes the 12-in-1 Bling Matte and Metallic Eyeshadow Palette. The best thing about this product is it's easy for use. Even beginner can use it smoothly. The first step is choose a lightest matte shade and apply it on the applicator. Then use the metallic shade part and apply it on the eyelid. And then use the darkest matte shade and cover it thoroughly in upward direction. Now to complete my look, I am applying eyeliner. Eyeliner makes I look more beautiful. And I'm applying my favorite organic lipstick. So this palette shade can be used as a highlighter, as a brusher. So here I'm using it as a brusher, and I'm using the pink shade to cover it on my cheeks. And you can see how smooth and how shiny it looks. This product is perfect combination for all-in-one. Now you can see which part of my face is talking the most. Indeed, it is eyes, and it makes me feel so radiating and so positive. I'm really loving this product so much. And the best thing about this palette is a combination of 10 shades which can be used for multiple purposes, like as a brushes, as a shadows, as a highlighter too. And to me, it serves multiple purpose. How long have I been using this product? So it's almost a year that I have been using this product, almost on my daily routine. And how long it lasts, basically it depends on person and their usage, how much they are using it on a daily basis, how much they are consuming it basically. So for me, it's still running. I hope you guys like this video. For more such reviews, please subscribe to Khooobsooorat because you are beautiful.